She do not talk to no workers. No. All she want her is a boss.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Durham, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey, and if you're new, subscribe so you won't be new, so you'll be returning. Today I decided to film a little get ready with me, like face wise, and because I'm finna get ready to go to class at 3. It is currently 11:55, and so therefore I have a little time. I just want to show y'all how I wear, like what I look like going to school. I might do a vlog, I might not do a vlog adjacent to this video. So if you see me wearing the same clothes in a vlog, no, I'm not nasty. I just decided to do a vlog with this video. So with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you click the notification bell, because I am trying, you guys, there's so much going on in my life. I am trying to get back into filming and all that stuff and whatnot. And yeah, let's just get right into the video. So getting into this video, I already have my wig cap on. Yes, I am currently wearing a wig right at this moment. I have my wig cap on. I cleaned the perimeter on my hair line. Let's take these glasses off and let's just put on our wig first before we do any of our makeup. That way I wrap my hair, like I tie it down in the front so my lace will be laying down. So I'm just gonna pop this on. The details to this wig will all be in the description box, and I'm going to have a film a video for all the details of where I got this wig, how has it been holding up, and like the construction of this wig, just everything you need to know on the details of this wig. I currently have this wig in the middle part as of right now, but you can part it however you want to. I just recently put it in the middle part. So I'm just going to show you how I laid out my wig. I used the Got To Be spray, and I also use my blow dryer as well. This is a small Conair, whatever you say, blow dryer. This is what it looks like. It's a small blow dryer, just enough for me to do what I need to do here. So I'm just gonna, and if you see me looking down, I'm looking in the mirror. I'm just gonna take this and spray it here and get my wig. Make sure it's even on both sides. And like I said, I will go more in depth on how to put on your wig. So I'm just gonna put this on. I just do that all the way around, and I'm just gonna put on this wig and glue it and spray like I just did all the way around, and I'll be right back. So now that I have the wig down, I'm just gonna brush through it, like I said, fix everything. And I really didn't take it down all the way on the sides because of how I am planning on wearing it today. So like I said, if you get this wig and you wear it like I'm wearing it, you don't necessarily have to take it down all the way on the side. No, how I wear it, wearing it, you will not see, you know, the sides if the wind so happen to blow or anything. It won't come off, nothing like that, basically. So I'm just gonna pull my hair back like this. And then after this, I tether my lace so it can lay flatter on the top, and so it can adhere more while I'm doing my makeup. So yeah, I'm just gonna tie this like that, slide everything back. Ooh. And you don't want to, you know, tie it too high, make your head hurt and whatnot. My earring is stuck somehow. Okay, so that frees that up. Like I said, you don't want to too tight anywhere ever, and just do that. So Okay, so now I got my wig out the way for right now. We will come back to that. The hair. Now with my hair, let's finish the hair. Now with my hair, it's been sitting, so all I did with this hair is brush it out like so. Brush this hair out again. I'm not doing too much to it today. Don't feel like it. Usually I wet the hair and whatnot, but I'm not going to do that today to get the curls back, because this hair actually needs to be washed again. So I'm trying to wait till the weekend, because I am going to show y'all how I wash my hair and what products I use to wash my hair. If y'all want to see another installation of this wig, like a more in-depth, let me know, and I'll be glad to do that for y'all. So like I said, I just pulled the hair back behind my ears. That's why you don't have to worry about it being laid down. And I go in with this headband here, which is brown, which matches what I have on, hence the hair color. I mean, not the hair color, the lip color. I'll go in with this. So guys, like that. Put this on. Swipe down back here in the back. Make sure my hair is flat as possible from the top. And brush through very well. Like this. I put the end of my hair, edges of my hair behind my ear. And I hold it here so it won't like pull too much, because like I said, these are not tucked down in the back. I mean in the front is not tucked down. Take my headband here, flip it the right way, and I place it right here. And I hold that and I just put that behind my ear like a regular headband, y'all. Like really. This is like an easy hairstyle. Like that. And then that's pretty much it for my hair. Just make sure it's brushed out good, because I like that poofy look with this hair when it's like this. So make sure it's just brushed out good. And that is all, you guys. Like I said, the details for this hair and all the products I use for my makeup will be down below. I am having a video coming out about the details for this hair, in-depth details, and how I wash this hair and get it to maintain its curls, and how I refresh their curls. The curls, all that will be in a separate video. So if you like this video, like I said before, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you click the notification bell so you won't miss any other future videos that I post. And like I said, well, this is the end of the video, and peace.